Hey guys, Matt here. So, Samsung announced a few weeks ago the new Galaxy Fold 4, the Flip 4, and the new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, along with the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. But I do have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro here. These will be the successor to the Galaxy Buds Pro right here. I really liked these earbuds. They were small, compact. They sounded pretty good. Not the best, but they did sound pretty good. They had decent active noise cancellation. And so I'm really excited for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. These go ahead of the Galaxy Buds 2 that came out, I guess, last year. And so we're gonna dive into this and just do a quick unboxing and first impressions. So stay tuned and we will go over all of that. Okay, so the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. These are supposed to have that 24-bit audio codecs, which means it's going to be a higher fidelity audio codecs. You're going to be able to hear a lot more, hopefully more detail, more sound reproduction the way the artist wants you to hear the sound. The Bluetooth is Bluetooth 5.3, I believe, so that's going to give you really good connection, stable connection, low latency and all that. So I'm really excited about that. And the fit is supposed to fit even better than the previous earbuds. A little bit smaller, hopefully, and just more comfortable. On top of that, you're supposed to get really good battery life. I believe it's 5 hours of play time with your ANC on, and it's 18 hours with the charging case. So that should give you about 23-ish hours of playback with ANC. So should be plenty of time for listening to music without having to charge them. One big thing that I really look for in a pair of Bluetooth headphones is, can I use the left one without the right one, and vice versa. And with these, I'm pretty sure you can, because with the Galaxy Buds and all of them, you can use the left one without the right one. So I do like that. Other than that, active noise cancellation, like I said, pass-through mode, which is really good. The call quality is supposed to be really good on these. I know in the past there have been some issues with the call quality, and then you do have these vents here that are supposed to help with not feeling as if your ears are plugged. I've got the graphite color here. There are two other colors. There's just the plain white, and then there's what Samsung calls a Bora purple. So I decided to go with kind of a less outstanding color, a less loud color of earbuds. I did get the kind of Bora purple or purplish color for the Buds Pro, but I do have these right here. So we're gonna quickly unbox this. Okay, so here is the box. It's small. It's just like the other Samsung Galaxy Buds boxes. Small, not too much packaging, anything like that. And so here you can see you do have the ANC, you do have fit, comfortable fit, the battery life and all that right here on the box as well. So we're gonna just take my knife here and we're gonna just cut right there and cut right there. And then I'm gonna just, and here you do have the earbuds themselves. And the first thing I notice when I'm comparing these to, let's say, the Galaxy Buds Pro, is that this is a kind of a matte finish versus the shiny-ish finish of this right here. So you do kind of have that right there. It's nice, and you no longer have Sound by AKG on the logo here. I don't know if you can see that. You just have Samsung, whereas this you do have Sound by AKG underneath Samsung. I did notice that I do have the graphite color, however the case is kind of white, so just be aware of that. But on the back of the case you do have USB-C charging, and this will also support wireless charging. which is really nice. I do like that in a pair of true wireless earbuds, is having that wireless charging. So that is the case. The next thing you get would be the charging cable itself, USB-C to USB-C, and this you do get some extra ear tips as well. So there's that in the box, and you do get some paperwork, but nothing major, just some quick reading material, just a quick start guide and terms and conditions. If you have a Samsung phone, then you will have this already on the phone. If you don't have a Samsung phone, well, you will have to get the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro plugin for your phone that you can get through the Wear OS, and I'm pretty sure the Apple iOS store as well. So here are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Weird how they put the 2 before the Pro instead of after, but oh well. They look really nice, especially compared to the Galaxy Buds Pro here. I like that they went with more of a matte finish versus a glossy finish. It just, in my eyes, it makes it look a little bit more refined. The earbuds are slightly smaller. Let me see if I can compare these two earbuds. I don't know if you can see this a whole lot, but they are a little bit smaller. And yes, I do have both the left earbuds, not just left and right, but as you can see here, you might be able to tell they are slightly smaller. I'm not sure, but they are also a little bit lighter. I think it's because of that matte finish versus that shiny finish. It's almost like they did metal versus plastic, but I'm not complaining really on that. On the inside, you do have sound by AKG here. Let me see. Inside, you do have sound by AKG right here rather than on the lid of the case right there, so that's also cool. You do have these vents here, and these vents here are supposed to allow for you to not have that plugged in feeling, which is really nice. One thing to note about these is that when you do have the companion app, the app itself won't give you all the functionalities if you do have a phone other than a Samsung phone. Samsung phone, you do get every feature like the Audio 360, which is their version of spatial audio. You do get that higher audio codecs with the Samsung audio codecs, so you do get that as well, whereas the other devices, like let's say my Pixel 6 Pro or anything like that, won't get those features. I'm not sure if they'll be coming later on. I do know that the Pixel phones right now do have the new Android 13 update in them on most of them, so, and that does support Audio 360, so therefore maybe it might come to that, but I know for now the Samsung phones are the only ones that allow you to have that Audio 360 plus the highest bit 24-bit audio codecs, which is their proprietary, kind of like the Sony LDAC codecs. Samsung does have that higher 24-bit audio codecs that's just for Samsung phones. So just like the AirPod Pros, you do only get some features with the iPhone and AirPod Pros versus AirPod Pros and another phone, Pixel 6 Pro or whatever. So just be aware that you do have that. So if you want the full Galaxy Buds 2 Pro experience, I would get something like the Samsung phone, let's say the S22 Ultra, the Galaxy Flip and Fold 4, something like that, but you do get that. Another cool thing is that this does have seamless switching. If you have an Samsung phone and a Samsung tablet or a Samsung TV and a Samsung computer, this will switch seamlessly between all devices, very similar to how Apple and the AirPod Pros does their seamless switching as well. Samsung's trying to build their ecosystem, and so therefore you do get that with these as well. So that's really cool. If you don't have a Samsung phone, Samsung tablet, Samsung TV, Samsung laptop, you will not get those features, but I believe you can pair this to multiple devices, at least two. Don't quote me on that, but it is pretty cool. I have tried the ANC on this, and the ANC is actually pretty decent. It's not the best out there, but it is pretty decent. I do use earbuds when I do work at work with all the CNC machines and everything going on, and this will be a great test for the ANC on these. I usually take my earbuds to work that I've just gotten, and I do use that as a test, and so I'm excited to try that as well. The sound again is supposed to be really good, really punchy bass, really supposed to be able to hear every detail in your music, so I'll have to test that out and see, especially after these earbuds have warmed up and the drivers have gotten a little bit looser so you can hear that full audio experience. But anyways, that would be something that is really big on this. These do retail for, I believe, $200, a little bit more, like $217 with tax and all that, but this does undercut the likes of, let's say, the Apple AirPods Pro or the Bang & Olufsen EQs or E10s or anything like that. However, the Google Pixel Buds do undercut these just by a smidge, not a whole lot, but just be aware. These do compete with the Google Pixel Buds Pro, the AirPod Pros, and stuff like that for at least this generation of earbuds, but I am very excited to test these earbuds out. Okay, so I have these in my ears. They're very comfortable, very light. They don't feel like they're gonna move around or anything like that. They're actually really, really comfortable compared to the Galaxy Buds Pro, stuff like that. And yeah, they fit my ears really well. I do have the medium ear tips that I pre-installed in the box. It does come with small and large ear tips as well. Okay, so that is kind of my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I'm really excited to use these. I've been using the Pixel Buds Pro for the last week, 2 weeks, give or take, and I really enjoy those earbuds. They sound great, they feel great, they have some really good features, some pretty good active noise cancellation, and so I'm excited to kind of compare those with these, use these as a daily driver now, and see how they feel, how they sound, all that stuff. So in the next few weeks, hopefully, we'll see, I should be able to do a review on the Google Pixel Buds Pro, and then after that I will do a review on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro here. So stay tuned for that, along with a couple other videos that hopefully I can get out. It's just been a really crazy season with band and with work and all that, but hopefully I can get these videos out pretty soon in a timely manner. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. This has been my Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro unboxing and first impressions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when I do post a video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.